My fire kit contains many options that will cover both short-term and long-term survival situations, and they all fit in this small Dyneema bag. Let's start with the short-term first. Stormproof matches, okay? Think of these as these start one fire. For a little bit longer term, we have Bic Lighters. I always keep 2 of them with me because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. On one lighter, I have jute twine wrapped around it, and on the other, I have duct tape. Both are excellent fire tender. Now for thousands of fires, I have a ferro rod. This will start 20,000 fires. After that, we're talking really long term. We have Flint and Steel. If you have a Flint and Steel kit, or in my case, I always keep a high carbon steel knife on my belt. This will start, I don't even know how many fires. That knife will last forever. So as long as you know how to make charred material, such as punkwood, that's in this container right here, you can have fire for life. Another long-term solution is solar, but the problem is you need a full sun for it to work.